Hey everyone, today I'll be covering the new 2026 Jeep Recon, just announced at the 2025 LA Auto Show. It is debuting exclusively in the Moab 4xe trim first, so that's what you'll mainly see for the bulk of the video on screen. This is a look at Jeep's first fully electric trail-rated SUV. It's not a replacement for any existing model, but positioned to fill a new space and expand Jeep's lineup. I'll go over all the details we know so far, including the exterior, interior, performance, off-road capabilities, and more. So let's begin. The Jeep Recon actually looks fantastic. It looks a bit futuristic, but definitely has the unmistakable Jeep DNA with iconic design cues. It really does remind me of the 2006 to 2010 Jeep Commander. The Recon has an upright front face with illuminated 7-slot grille rings, U-shaped daytime running lights, and other LED lights everywhere. Gloss black accents are found on the grille, pillars, and window trim, and there's also an available gloss black roof. The Recon offers either a dual-pane sunroof or Sky One-Touch power top, paired with under-seat audio speakers. The Recon is also the only fully electric vehicle that has doors, rear quarter glass, and swing gate glass that's removable. Flush E-release door handles are another feature. The rear gets LED taillights, the swing gate, and a full-size rear-mounted spare tire. The Moab trim you see on screen is more rugged and debuts first, with gloss black fascias, wheel flares, available side rock rails, steel underbody armor, and exclusive Jeep badging featuring topographical etching and an anti-glare hood graphic. The Moab also has 4x4 gearing, of course, and standard 33-inch Nexen Rodian AT tires, giving it 9.1 inches of ground clearance, a 33.8 degree approach angle, 23.3 degree breakover angle, and 31.1 degree departure angle. As for the paint, the Recon will launch with 10 colors: bright white, silver zenith, sting gray, diamond black, red hot, hydro blue, 41, fathom blue, juice, and copper chino. But Jeep isn't stopping at 10 colors. They've confirmed that the Recon lineup will follow a Wrangler-style color strategy, meaning we can expect rotating special edition colors, limited run shades, and annual refreshes. The Recon interior combines rugged utility and refined innovation. I think they missed the mark though, and it looks like a Tesla in there. It's a horizontal design layout with the 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen, the largest usable digital screen space ever offered in a Jeep. There's also a 12.3-inch driver cluster. Digital knobs are kept for things like volume and tuning. The driver's side has an accessory rail for mounting cameras, the passenger side has a grab handle, and scuff-resistant Vortex textured surfaces are used. As with many Jeeps, there are expanded storage spaces integrated throughout, like a 2-tiered pass-through center console, modular door panels with removable elastic straps, a 3 cubic foot front trunk, and 65.9 cubic feet of rear cargo space with the second row folded. An Alpine audio system comes standard, and the speakers have been repositioned from the doors to beneath the seats, ensuring uninterrupted sound quality even with the doors removed. The Moab trim introduces a new color to the Jeep palette inside, Joshua Tan interior, paying homage to the iconic national park using earthy tones. Other accents include iron gray metallic trim and quicksand deco finish in Arctic. Jeep is quick to announce the sustainable interior, with recycled materials in the headliner and carpet, and a non-leather synthetic Capri instrument panel. The technology includes the Jeep-exclusive Trails off-road app, offering a comprehensive guide to trails across the US and Canada with pitch and roll mapping. Optimized battery electric vehicle pages provide real-time insights into vehicle state of charge, while dynamic range mapping, powered by TomTom, helps to plan long trips with precision, indicating when and where to charge. Additional enhancements include Amazon Alexa functionality and an updated Jeep mobile app that supports scheduled maintenance, roadside assistance, accident support, and real-time safety and recall notifications. Moving on to performance, again, this is the first and only fully electric trail-rated SUV in the industry. The Recon's propulsion system uses front and rear Stellantis electric drive modes, or EDMs, each rated at 250 kilowatts. Each EDM combines an electric motor, gearing, and power electronics into a single compact unit. The system is rated for 650 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque, and Jeep says that's good for 0 to 60 mph acceleration in 3.6 seconds. Jeep also estimates an all-electric range of 250 miles. The front EDM uses an 11:1 final drive ratio with an open differential, while the rear is 15:1 with an electronic locking differential, allowing torque to flow to both the rear wheels when engaged. At the flip of a switch, the driver can go from the open differential to fully locked. The front axle includes automatic disconnects at each wheel end to help optimize the energy use and the range during typical on-road driving conditions when the rear drive propulsion is more efficient. Also, the 400-volt battery pack is protected by high-strength steel underbody shields. Standard four-wheel drive is supported by the Jeep Select Terrain system with 5 drive modes: Auto, Sport, Snow, Sand, and Rock. Rock mode is new and it tailors throttle pedal response to help manage progress over uneven terrain, enabling a 2-pedal driving technique to control the vehicle. Rock mode also includes a hill hold feature that lets the driver's foot move from the brake to the throttle pedal without the vehicle moving. There's also a low-speed select speed control for challenging inclines and declines. So when this is engaged, the select speed control maintains the set speed, freeing the driver to concentrate just on the steering. The suspension is a short long arm setup up front and integral link in the rear. Jeep says it's responsive to driver inputs and helps to maximize the tire contact patch to deliver an ideal blend of on-road ride comfort with the Jeep off-road capability. As for some other features, as mentioned, the tires are 265/70 R18, 33-inch all-terrain Nexen Roadian ATX, wrapped on 18 by 8.5-inch wheels. The rotors are 13.78 inches front and back, with dual piston calipers up front and single in the rear. The weight distribution is 49.4% front and 50.6% rear. The curb weight is a monstrous 6,112 pounds, while the tow rating is 3,300 pounds and the payload is 850 pounds. Production of the 2026 Jeep Recon will begin early next year at the Toluca assembly plant, with the initial launches in the US and Canada, followed by what Jeep hopes will be global expansion. The starting MSRP is $65,000 US, plus a $1,995 destination charge. So that's it for the details on the 2026 Jeep Recon. What do you think of this vehicle? Let me know down in the comment section below. I really do like the design and the performance on paper, but hasn't Stellantis learned from releasing the Charger Daytona EV first, without having a gas powertrain, and having that one fail miserably so far? My first thought with this thing was that if it had the new 4-cylinder turbo Hurricane engine, or the 3-liter twin-turbo version, it could be a decent success, and take on vehicles like the Ford Bronco. Customers do want more powertrain choice, and I think it's another mistake to release this vehicle without having a gas option for people to buy. I also don't believe a 650 horsepower trail-rated EV is what people want right now. Maybe that's why it's the only one in the market, but we'll have to see how the sales do. So thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe for all your Mopar content, and I'll see you in the next video.